Alright, so here we have the interior of our 1980 20-foot Concord that we have for sale. Alright, so we'll start at this end. It's got a bit of a check out here. There used to be a refrigerator in there, and we had to take the window out to get the fridge out. So that's the other window there waiting to go back in. So we've got a couple of lockers up here, mirror on it. Down the sides we have our little locker cabinets. Now the laminate was pretty munted, so when I was working at Metro Glass I got 10mm white toughened glass made up for it to fill the holes. The kitchen was pretty rotten. As you can see, the Waipu wood was a stupid thing that they used, and it rotted out at the bottom there. Same with this one down here. Now there is another glass that goes into here, fills that hole as you'll see in the photos. So here's our little galley. We do have the pedestal as well that goes with it. So yeah, that's where the kitchen would have been. So it's still got the hot water cylinder, water pump, etc. Cupboards and that up here, and then into the, we did made some, these are 10mm toughened, 12mm toughened glass things here that I made, screen printed as well, hand cut. And then back in here we have our drinks cabinet, which is what you need when you're lying in bed. A set of drawers there. Same again, some more glass shelving, more little cubby holes. The back ones. Now this had a shelf on it, but this is just sitting here. We're going to take it out so you could have full length bed without having to curl your feet up. Mirror. Now in here you can see back before we got it, it had leaked when it was sitting up at Waipu Cove. A bit, Waipu board is a bit munted, but as you can see too, the floor is has had some holes drawn up for ventilation, but it is fully fibreglassed over the wood, so the floor is very solid. And up here, the roof vent again had particleboard shit in it, which is just disintegrated, so we took that off. Now when we picked it up, there was some, it had some leakage, but it hasn't leaked since we've had it here, which is over 10 years. But yeah, apart from that, it's she's pretty good. Just need someone to strip it out and make it their own.